The possibility of making a huge impact through intelligent decision making, which has always been guided by brilliant mentorship at Bizongo.
Bizongo is known for teamwork. Everybody comes here to achieve something great, and this makes me look up each day excitedly and work harder.
The fact that we're really making a difference in the B2B world by solving real-life business challenges.
I'm working on a bidding feature which provides clients and vendors with competitive environment along with transparency.
As Bizongo disrupts the B2B industry with all its guns blazing, I, along with my team, are enabling this disruption through making our order management system the best and the most efficient in the world.
We make sure that the MSMEs have a seamless experience in procuring and selling their goods.
At Bizongo, I learn how people execute code and how they optimize it to make it result-driven. I'm learning daily from coding standards to becoming a good team player.
Bizongo is a great place to explore and learn new technologies.
It is imperative to scale our code base, and we are right in the middle of doing that. This teaches us a whole different skill set altogether.
I have complete ownership of my work and schedule. I'm becoming a better engineer every day by working with such a diverse and talented group of people.
My team is filled with all sorts of superheroes. I am my team's human who uses their superpower to survive.
Bizongo always builds a team of like-minded people who share a common interest of making a difference in this world.
What makes Bizongo beautiful is the delegation of responsibilities and the enormous trust that backs it.
I've joined Bizongo last year as an intern. I've completed my 1 year of internship and now I'm working as a full-time software engineer. I've always cherished my interaction with the amazing people I've worked with, and despite being an intern, the empowerment to own my work.
Bizongo has given me access to all the latest technologies, which is making my productivity skyrocket.